Hi guys, another day, another trade. So we started our account. I guess it's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's our sixth day of growing our $100 account to, wala tayong goal, pero let's just grow this account. Um, sa mga na-open ko na trades recently, ito yon. So malalaki yung panalo and then we have small losses. To tell you what happened na lang in general, yung nangyari is I got caught in a sideways market. So I was expecting price to bounce up of this. So yung ginawa ko is I tighten my stop loss if ever na mag-break siya sa range na to. And then yes, it did break. So na-stop out tayo. Pero usually yung stop out ko is very high or probably ito rin, no? Pero in general, yung market is bumaba talaga, as you can see. So it's not really the move that I'm looking for. Right now, siguro it's not really a bearish move since we haven't really broken this structure yet. So maybe retest lang and babalik sa taas. So tingnan natin this time maybe we can shoot up. Pero yan yung yung nangyari sa mga close trades ko. So, nag-sideways sila and then I just closed it upon break of this one. Kasi syempre, buy ako eh. If ever na short ako, syempre, pabor yun sa akin. So, anyways, I was able to make a quick scalp here. Ito ba yun? Oh, ito yun. I forgot what happened there. Maybe nagkamali lang ako. Pero ito yung trade natin na pumasok. And meron akong maling trade talaga yung ito, yung Vera. Dapat ano to eh, dapat long. Yung short yung na enter ko. Tapos I tried to scale kay baka ano pa, mabawi yung yung PNL pero hindi. Nag-continue sa tumaas. And then yun lang. And then I tried to enter another trade. Siguro same situation lang sa na nag-break yung structure niya. So ayan, umalis tayo. And after that, nabawi naman sa Dolo. And then nabawi din sa other trades ko with MAV, which is a break here of the structure. Or parang ganito ata yun. I could remember. Yan. So, right now, di ba may trade tayo, same thing, break of structure. So, I'm putting my take profits here around this area where price bounce. Of course, this is not final. Since I'm checking the market naman, I can change. Stop loss depende. I'll manage it most likely here, but not really a fixed risk reward ratio. All we want is to win this trade. Yun lang. And hindi ako naghahanap ng mga new trades ngayon. Just because merong news. So, ang gagawin ko is I'll wait for that news to come out and then I'll enter the trade maybe around midnight or later on the night na or mga early morning ganun. And then maraming news sa weekend yun eh due to USD, yung mga USD na news or US based na news is mostly impacting crypto kasi of course we're using USDT, di ba? We're pegged to the USDT, so whatever happens we're affected somehow. So yun lang yun, and I don't wanna go over everything because wala naman and I did check the markets. Ito lang yung nakita ko na nag-break. So if you guys saw this, maybe you can enter a short. But of course, feel free to do your own technical analysis to make sure and have a very low risk reward. So right now, I'm also planning to de-risk once I reach maybe 200, maybe magpa 5% risk na ako per account. But yeah, as we grow, I'll lower down my risk. So yun lang sa update natin and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.